Welcome to Comparison Operators in Python. In this lecture, we'll discuss the various comparison operators in Python. We'll talk about the less than operator, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, the equal to operator, and the not equal to operator. So, what are comparison operators? These are relational operators. They help us compare the values of two operands, and they return true or false based on the result of the operation. We have 6 comparison operators in Python: less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and not equal to. Let's discuss these one by one. A binary operator is surrounded by one operand or value on each side. If the value on the left is smaller, the less than operator returns true. Otherwise, it returns false. Is 3 less than 6? Yeah, that's true. Is 3 less than 3? No, that's false. Let's take a few more examples. Is 3 less than 3.0? No, that's false. Is 3.0 less than 3? False again. Are you she with a capital A less than are you she with a small a? This is true because the ASCII for A is 65, but for this it is 90. Is this number less than true? Yes, because true is 1. Is the tuple 1, 2, and 3 less than the tuple 1, 3, and 2? Yes, it compares individual elements. Is an empty tuple less than the tuple with 0 as the only element? That's true. Is this tuple less than this one? Yes. Is the list with the element 0 less than the list with the element false? That's wrong. 0 has a Boolean value false. Let's move on to the greater than operator. This returns true if the first value is greater than the second. Is 6 greater than 3? Yes. Is false greater than 0.5? No. Let's take more examples. Is this tuple greater than this one? Oh wait, what happened? This does not compare the tuples 3, 4, 5 and 3, 4, 5.0, but creates a tuple with the values 3, 4, 5 greater than 3, which is true, 4, and 5.0. So how do we go about comparing these two tuples instead? Using parentheses. The less than or equal to operator returns true if the first value is less than or equal to the second. Say A is 2. Is it less than or equal to twice of itself? That is certainly true. Time for more examples. Is 3 less than or equal to 3.0? Yes. Is 0.1 less than or equal to 0.5? Yes, it is. The greater than or equal to operator returns true if the first value is greater than or equal to the second. Is 3 greater than or equal to 3.0? Yes. Is true greater than or equal to 1? Yes. Now, the equal to operator returns true if the values are equal. Is 3 equal to 3.0? Yes, it is. Is true equal to 1.1? No, it's not. More examples. Are these two sets equal? Sets are unordered, so yes, these are equal. Is 0 equal to false? False is the Boolean value for 0, so yes, this is true. Finally, the not equal to operator. This returns true if the first value is not equal to the second. Is 3 not equal to 3.0? No, it is. Is 4 not equal to 3? Yes, they are unequal. This was all about comparison operators in Python. Don't forget to revise.